everyone, thanks for watching. Today we're opening up Vellabox, my candle subscription I just adore. Before we get unboxing, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I actually open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. Now let's talk about Vellabox. I already said it's a candle subscription. A really good one. I've been subscribed for years to Vellabox. So they offer a few different subscription options, 3 to be exact, ranging from $10 to $30. I do have a code to share with you guys that will get you $5 off any of the subscription plans. So if you're interested in some candles or want to gift someone some candles, I always say candles are the best gift. Can't go wrong there. Then all that information will be down below in the description box. So today we're opening up the $30 subscription where you get 2 candles, and in all of the subscription boxes you do get a little bonus item, and the candles, like I already mentioned, are amazing. They always come from local artisans in the United States. They're all small batch, hand poured, toxin free. Amazing burn time, amazing fragrances. I've just loved every candle I've ever gotten, I swear. So I can't wait to see what is in store for July. So let's get this box open. Open it up. This is what it looks like. So the candles always come in drawstring bags, and I always try and repurpose them. Every month they're different and they're always so cute. And also you get this removable quote. I have some hanging on my wall over there, so let's see what it says this month. The world needs what you got. And they're always so pretty. I just love the overall aesthetic of Vellabox. So in this subscription you get 1 4-ounce candle and 1 8-ounce candle. In the $10 subscription you would just get the 4-ounce candle. In the $20 version you would get the 8-ounce candle. Ooh, I love the bonus gift. We'll talk about that after the candles. There's a card in here too that talks about where our candles came from and about each candle specifically and the bonus gift. So our candles this month are from Luster and Bloom, and they're based out of Denver, Colorado. And their shop is on Etsy, etsy.com/shop/Luster and Bloom. And there's a promo code to save 15%. I'll leave that link down below if you want to check them out. So this scoop, Mandy of Luster and Bloom began making candles as a hobby while her little one slept. With a new baby in the house, she wanted to ensure she was burning the safest, cleanest candles possible. No better way than to make them herself using 100% non-toxic ingredients. Quickly finding candle making to be her passion, Mandy turned a hobby into a business and has been selling her beautiful, clean burning candles ever since. I love hearing the stories behind companies. That's awesome. So, what should we start with? How about we start with the 4-ounce? Did I show you the bags up close yet? Peony Bouquet. I love the simple labeling. So the notes are magnolia, violet, water lily, peony, and freesia. 4-ounce soy candle, hand poured in Denver, Colorado. Oh my god. The name is perfect for this. Like instantly you're hit with floral notes. It smells so good. Oh, smell-o-vision. Just take a whiff and imagine a field of peonies. So let's read about this. So what is the scoop on this candle? Possibly the most gorgeous floral scent of all. We're picturing butterfly gardens and fields of flowers as far as the eye can see. Okay, imagine that now. Love it. Now let's see what is in this one. Every month I try and pick a favorite, and many months I fail to pick one. Sometimes I can choose one I like more than the other, but usually I'm like, they're both so good. Sugared citrus. Ooh, and it has similar labeling. I love that. So cute. This could go in any room. The notes are grapefruit, mandarin, and lemon. I already told you this. It's 8-ounce soy candle. Oh, it smells really good too. This reminds me of something very specific. I can't recall exactly what I'm thinking, but it smells so good. So the sweet summery scent is sure to make your day a little brighter. Best enjoyed while cooling down inside after a long day in the sun with a refreshing beverage in hand and feet propped up. Oh, I like both. guys, I don't know. They're both very different, you know, like floral, citrus. I like both. I think the sugared citrus has me going back the most for more sniffs. So I think very close, but based on sniff count, we'll go with sugared citrus as winner. But they're both so good. So now let's talk about the bonus gift, and I think this is so awesome they included it. It's a produce bag. I have several of these, but they're actually like super, super large, and when I go to the store, I usually just get like one of each item. The first time I started using them, I'm like, am I allowed to put stuff in the bags while I am shopping at the grocery store? But I mean, you could see through them, so yeah. So instead of using the plastic that they provide at the grocery store, I almost said Publix, but maybe you have a Publix by you. That's what I go, or the grocery store I shop at, but yeah, you could just put your produce in here instead of getting those plastic bags, and you can reuse it, and it's like there's a drawstring here, so yeah, these are super convenient. I'm so glad to get a smaller size. The other ones I have are like double the size of this, and I'll just put like one onion in it, one tomato, or whatever, 2 avocados. Ooh, avocados. So yeah, I think this is great. So if you guys didn't have one, you got this box. This is great, and an amazing way to help the planet. Every little step, every little thing you can do counts, and this is a really easy way to do it. So ditch the plastic for reusable produce bags. It's the most sustainable way to grocery shop, perfect for fruits, veggies, grains, and more, and stylish enough to keep out in your kitchen. I try and keep them in my car with my other reusable bags so I don't forget them when I go shopping. But yeah, you could totally keep them in your kitchen if you want. Ooh, look, they have pictures of like breads and stuff. Nice. So you guys, another great month for Vellabox. I always love opening this box. I love candles. I pretty much always have one going when I'm at home. So I go through them kind of fast, but again, these have a really good burn time, which is very convenient since I have them going all the time. So I think I'm gonna light one up, edit some videos, enjoy my evening. Thank you guys all for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.